Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where art meets creativity. Today I am excited to share with you the process of creating this colorful dot mandala on a canvas. Mandala art is not just beautiful but also meditative and therapeutic. So grab your tools and let's create something mesmerizing together. I painted the canvas with black color, which creates a beautiful contrast for the colorful dots, and I marked the center point using dotting tool, which will act as the anchor of the entire mandala. It is important to start from the center to maintain symmetry. Now I will add some small dots around the center, gradually expand it outward. As the layers expand, I am using pastel shades like pink, yellow, blue, green. These colors create a soothing and harmonious effect. To add depth, I am varying the sizes of the dots small, medium and large to create dimensions. This technique gives the mandala a dynamic and layered look. Now I am adding petal-like patterns around the circular layers. These petals gives a mandala a floral and elegant appearance. I am carefully filling the spaces with smaller dots to enhance the detailing. The combination of pastel hues creates a soft and calming effect, making the artwork visually soothing. Dot mandala art like this is perfect for wall decor or gifting purposes. You can do dot mandala on MDFs as well. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and click on bell icon so you will get notifications. Did you like the color combination? Let me know in comments, and which is your favorite color combination? Please comment in the comment section. This not only frames the mandala beautifully but also gives it a finished and polished look. These brush strokes are too eye-soothing and attractive. You can try as well. I hope you are enjoying this video. If you want to give any suggestions, please share in the comment section. I will try according to your suggestion also. It is my first canvas art and trust me, I really enjoyed it. Please try on MDF and canvas both. Have you ever tried dot mandala and which challenges you faced? Please let me know in comments. I will guide you with techniques. For the final touch, I am adding decorative dots along the border. I am applying pink color and yellow color to give it a vibrant look and eye-soothing look. I hope you enjoyed watching this creative process. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such artistic content. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.